I'm off work, and for those that know me, is that I can't sit still 2 minutes, so I've decided to do a one-day build. We've got an old gazebo bar in the garden, which is metal framework, been about 5 years old, looking a bit tatty, so I've decided to clad it, spent 50-60 quid on timber. Let's do this. I started this project by buying a section of timber from a local discount DIY store in Doncaster, and they pre-cut them to 78 inch. I also then got some extra boards for the sides. They were about 50.5 inch themselves, and what I've decided to do is coat them exactly the same as the fence in Ronseal wood coat. Which you can see here, not great finish, needed so many coats, but looks pretty decent in the end result. Pre-drilled them and fixed them on with self-tapping screws. And literally what I've tended to do is count some each hole, giving it a better finish. And the paint job there, still another coat to do, looks pretty decent. Moved the bar back onto the deck so it was easier to handle the sides, because I was going to put the sides on. And as you can see here, a little bit later, about 15 minutes, managed to get that left hand side on. And we've even managed to coat the frame in the same Ronseal. Actually turned out pretty good. Working his way around to the front, you can see this is probably about 6 coats, so well worth it, but hard work. Finishing off the sides there, so everything's fully done. Each of the boards are spaced by a small tile so that I can get the same spacing. And as you can see here, Kate dropping the inlay glass in for the final finished look. Unfortunately the bar is outside and got trees, so there's a lot of sap about, so they do need cleaning quite regular, but it's really come out really well, and for the sake of about 60 quid, this is the final finished look that we've got. I think we've achieved something pretty decent. It kept me busy for quite a while, so job done, one day build, spot on.
It's okay remembering to get wine when you do a one-day build, but what you should never forget is sun cream, because I am burnt to a crisp. So next time, wine, sun cream and 68 quid's worth of stuff. One day builds, spot on.